Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your iPhone camera set capture format to HEIF, high efficiency image file format, or most compatible format. So here we go. This is a brief introduction. The HEIF, high efficiency image file format, and HEFC, high efficiency video coding, offer better compression than JPEG and JPEG and H.264. So they use less storage space on your devices and high-quality photos while preserving the same visual quality. So here we go. Though capturing in HEIF and HEFC format is recommended, you can set this device to capture media using the older formats, which are more broadly compatible with other devices and operating systems. So you have to go to the settings, camera, tap formats, then tap most compatible. This setting is available only on devices that can capture media HEIF or HEFC format, and only when using iOS 11 or later or iPad OS. And also here, this is the image, tutorial image. So you can go to the camera, you will see a few options and look at the formats. You can tap formats. Now you'll see two different options: high efficiency and most compatible. So here we go. This is the comparison. So the iPhone will default to high efficiency because this will optimize space on your phone. If you struggle with low storage, then keep it as high efficiency unless you will really notice a difference in quality. Most compatible will not compress your photo and will save it a JPG file format. So additionally, if you have an iPhone but you use a Windows computer, you will probably want to use most compatible. This will ensure that your files are easily transferable between your phone and your computer that use the Windows operating system. So this is the comparison. So feel free to try to set the format of your camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.